You ever see anything like that? There's your thunderhead. Looks like a blanket aerosols to me, covering that. Then we got Johnny up here spraying. I just saw him go over right above there. Well, we got this giant thunderhead here. We'll see what happens, but I can see aerosols, a blanket right there. Right there, you see your thunderhead poking through? Just saturated with aerosol blanket. Sorry about the wires. So this is leftover humidity from the storm. They broke up yesterday. It's all regrouping over Big Bear. Trying to rain. Oh. There you go. So we'll keep an eye on it. Critter out. Aerosols. Killing your thunderheads. Okay. Real clouds.